Hi everyone, this is Richard, and in this tutorial we're gonna show how to use the new feature signs. And this feature is a very interesting approach that you can use in any of your webinars or classrooms in order to drive more engagement with your audience. And you and your attendees will find this icon here, signs, at your menu bar, left menu bar. And once they click on it, it will just show up a sign, like a small board indicating what they have chosen. Let's say you want to make a quick survey or a interactive quiz, and then you can ask something: what is the best webinar platform in the world? A, GoBrunch, or B, anything else? And then you just ask this for your attendees and they raise their signs. It's just like an expression, and of course you can use it for yes or no with like and unlike button, just like this one. You can use for raise hands, which is very useful. And if you want to click on, for example, not disturb, it will show something like this, which might be useful for if you want to ask your audience to just notify when they are not available for interacting. You as organizer, you can remove the signs from your attendees just clicking on the signs. And that's it everyone, thank you for watching and we see you in the next one.